Mima and Zyaba are best friends.
Hi everyone, I am Mima and this is Zyaba. Welcome to our show. Zyaba, look at all these bunnies today. It's Easter time, and do you think any of these bunnies could be Easter bunny? Is it a real Easter bunny? Is this one an Easter bunny? Is this one an Easter bunny? Is this one an Easter bunny? Who is going to help us make Easter egg cookies?
Hello!
Oh, that's the real one! Come over here! Hi, Easter bunny! What are you going to help us today with?
The cookies.
The cookies?
And hiding eggs.
Yes! That's so exciting! Zyaba and I baked cookies the day before, and you will help us decorate cookies?
Yep.
That's so exciting! Let's bring them in! Easter egg bunny, we baked those cookies yesterday. What do you think about it? Does it look like Easter eggs?
Uh-huh.
And each of them is unique and slightly different shade. We only have white icing. To make different colors, we will use
food dye.
That's right. We'll use this food dye and
Sprinkles.
sprinkles and spoons. We'll use those spoons for mixing different food dyes with the icing, and we'll use these pouches to decorate our cookies. Will Easter bunny help us?
Yes.
Yes! Let's begin! First, let's mix different kinds of icing. That's too small, I guess. Wait! We can immediately decorate one cookie with the white base.
Oh yeah, now we just wasted that.
No, we did not waste, because we're trying to mix it. Okay, let's see how it's going to work. First, let's see if we can make a little pink color.
Well, I don't know if that's pink. Is
We'll
it
find
yellow?
out.
Might be yellow. Wait, probably is yellow.
Oh, it's orange.
Oh, it's orange.
Let's see.
Maybe I'll get yellow. Maybe I'll get yellow. Yeah, it's getting yellow. I knew it. It's definitely yellow.
Oh, that's so pretty! Wow! Do we even need those pouches? Or can we decorate it with the spoon?
Maybe.
Let's see. Do you want to put some of it on one of the eggs?
Well, I'll try. But
Okay.
No. I'll put a dot so it's just like a beautiful dot.
You think so? I thought maybe we can make a base. Let's see. I'll
I
show
can
you.
cover it all over.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we can cover it all over. It looks delicious now.
Huh. Wait, don't eat it yet.
I'm not gonna eat it yet.
Okay.
Well, the Easter Bunny does a lot of work.
That's right. Ooh, I have an idea.
What?
So what if one side is yellow and one side is white?
Oh yeah, good idea. But that's maybe gonna take long.
You think so?
Because this barely does a lot.
Or if you want, we can mix another color and color the second part with maybe pink? Yes?
Well, that looks more like red.
Let's see if we mix it with white, if it's going to turn pink. Let's check it out.
Actually, maybe. Pink is like ink.
That's right. Red ink gives us pink when we mix it with white. Okay, is it this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
it is. It's definitely red. Or let's just find out. Looking. Yeah, it makes pink.
That's beautiful.
Smells like delicious frosting.
It is. Let's add more white because it looks a bit too dark.
Yeah.
Is this good enough?
Well, if you think it's good enough.
Let's try.
Same. Oh, it looks the same on the egg.
It's harder than I thought. I thought it will be easier. Look how difficult it is to make it precise and beautiful, but still manageable. Oh, it looks delicious. What do you think so far?
Looks like a good egg. Totally not rotten.
Do we want to add any sprinkles? Let's separate yellow and white. It almost looks like a donut.
I know.
Next is yours. Which one do you want to mix?
Blue.
Blue? So it will be light blue? And blue dye this time. One tiny drop.
Why's it called dye? Even though I use dye too.
They're not dyeing for real.
Yeah.
They're just coloring. Okay, do you want to mix it in? That's yours.
Okay. Then we can use green.
Okay, perfect.
Green's perfect. It kind of matches.
Are you ready to mix it?
It looks very dark right now.
Okay, let's see. Try to mix it.
It's running lighter, lighter.
Yes.
Light gray.
Oh, we can even add a little bit of yellow to make it even lighter.
Oh
To mix a slightly different shade of green. Let's see. Let's see. We need more white. Is it enough or should we mix more? What do you think?
I think it's enough.
Okay.
Now let's make a line.
Where? In the middle?
Uh-huh.
And what's going to be on the edges?
What's going to be on the edges?
Yeah.
Purple.
Okay.
Actually, let me see. Red.
Red? Okay, if you want a very precise line, maybe it's the time for our pouch. Let's see if it's
I want
gonna
a
work.
line like that.
Well, let's try putting it in the pouch.
What does the pouch do?
Well, once we cut the tip here, it can make it more graceful and thinner application. So right here we can control how thin or thick our line is going to be. Let's try.
I see now what that is.
Yeah, I'm putting it inside.
These do work. I see how these work.
Squeeze right here. Oh, this is so cool! Look at the line! Look at this! Wow! Check this out! Okay, let's show it to our audience. Wait. No. Look! This is the line. Okay, I may need to add more.
Yeah, I know.
Or just squeeze more of it.
Yeah, we need to make more of it. Oh, that's how you do it. I see.
Right.
Oh.
We're making purple right now. Let's add more white frosting as a base. And what colors do we need to mix to make purple? Out of primary colors.
Blue. And I forgot.
Think about it. Is it yellow or is it red for purple? Blue for sure.
Blue for sure.
Maybe we should try red and see if it's going to work.
Yeah, if it works, it's fine. If it doesn't work.
All right.
Wait, it
Do the magic, Easter Bunny.
It is!
Yes!
I knew it! I created this egg. It will look better if it was a real egg and I made it.
Next egg. I'm going to have white base That looks like a spider web so far.
Yeah, do you want to make it a Halloween one, even though it's Easter?
No, I'll save Halloween theme for Halloween. And I just need to cover it in white. Do you want to add any sprinkles?
Well, it's just a sprinkle one.
Yep.
Oh, I'll do a sprinkle.
Okay, your turn.
I'll choose the smallest.
The smallest.
Mix.
Next, blue stripes.
Yeah, blue stripes.
Let me work on this one then. I'm mixing pink.
Like a circle.
Oh, I have an idea. I'm gonna make a flower.
Oh, yeah.
Does it even look like a flower?
Yeah, it does. I think it's actually very good.
Thank you. Do we have any green left for the leaves? Let's do it.
I want to make a rainbow.
Okay, where's our yellow?
Does yellow actually yell oh?
Does it yell at us?
Yeah, and it says oh.
After yellow goes...
Orange?
That's right! So to make orange, we need to mix yellow and red.
It does look like a rainbow. Really actually does.
Yep. And last but not least,
Red.
wow, look at this rainbow egg. When it dries, it will look so good. Last will be light blue. What do you think we should... Oh, I have an idea.
Make squiggly lines
Yes,
like that.
here we go. Last one. Let it dry for a little bit and we'll be ready to eat those eggs.
Yeah.
It looks really delicious. Let's try and see if it tastes delicious. So what do you think? It's good?
Yep.
I'm so glad. Zyaba, do you want to try some? Okay, we can offer you yellow and pink maybe. Okay, let's see if she's gonna like it. You like it too? Happy Easter! I hope you guys enjoyed our project. Try it at home with your parents. See you next time. Bye!
Yeah, for real, what?
Oh, that's pretty hard.
Now I want some healthy food.
What could be healthier than a fresh carrot for Easter Bunny, right?
Mm-hmm.